Today, we're counting down the top 15 discoveries made by AI. Breakthroughs changing medicine, physics, space research, and the world we live in today. Let's dive in. Number 15, protein structure prediction breakthrough. For half a century, predicting how proteins fold was one of biology's biggest unsolved challenges. Proteins form the machinery of life, and their shape determines how they function. Misfolding is tied to diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, but solving these 3D structures used to take years of experiments. DeepMind's AlphaFold changed everything in 2020, accurately predicting structures in hours. By 2022, it had mapped over 200 million proteins, covering nearly every known protein on Earth. Researchers are now using these predictions to advance treatments, design enzymes, and even explore ways to tackle antibiotic resistance. Number 14, AI for brain-computer interfaces. Brain-computer interfaces are no longer just theoretical.
I can talk to you with my thoughts.
In 2023, Stanford researchers used AI to decode brain activity into text at nearly 80 words per minute, restoring communication for paralyzed patients. At UC San Francisco, another team trained deep learning models to translate brain signals into entire sentences, opening doors for people who lost the ability to speak. Beyond communication, patients are already using BCIs to control robotic arms or digital keyboards in clinical trials. AI is making these systems more accurate and less invasive, with wireless setups beginning to replace bulky implants. Number 13, AI in mathematical reasoning. AI is now competing with the world's best young mathematicians. DeepMind's Alpha Geometry, introduced in 2024, solved 83% of International Mathematical Olympiad geometry problems spanning 25 years. That's comparable to a gold medalist's performance. What makes it unique is transparency. Instead of just spitting out answers, the system shows step-by-step reasoning like a human. The implications go far beyond math competitions. Geometry underpins robotics, navigation, and physics. With AI capable of proving theorems at this level, scientists are optimistic about fresh insights in pure mathematics and more reliable algorithms for engineering and science. Number 12, AI weather forecasting breakthroughs. Accurate forecasts save lives, but traditional models take hours of supercomputing processing. In 2023, DeepMind's GraphCast upended the field by producing forecasts in seconds. It outperformed Europe's ECMWF, the world's leading physics-based model, on 90% of key metrics. GraphCast successfully predicted Cyclone Mocha, which hit Myanmar in May 2023, nearly a week in advance. That extra time is critical for evacuation and planning. Agencies are now testing how to integrate AI models alongside existing systems. With climate change driving extreme weather, faster and more accurate predictions are becoming essential for communities worldwide. Number 11, discovery of stable new materials. Material science just leapt centuries ahead. In 2023, Google DeepMind announced Gnome, an AI tool that predicted the stability of millions of crystal structures. Out of these, it identified 380,000 previously unknown stable materials, almost 800 years of discoveries at the usual lab pace. Early lab tests have already confirmed several of these predictions, including materials promising for batteries, solar panels, and superconductors. This AI-driven roadmap is transforming how scientists search for building blocks of future technologies. Instead of random trial and error, researchers now know where to look. Number 10. AI-invented algorithms, AlphaDev and AlphaEvolve. AI is not only solving problems, it's creating new solutions. In 2023, DeepMind's AlphaDev discovered a faster sorting algorithm, later adopted into the official C++ standard library. It's the first time an AI-created algorithm has entered such a core computing system. In 2025, AlphaEvolve took it further by designing state-of-the-art algorithms across 50 open math and optimization problems, beating human-devised methods in many cases. These breakthroughs save computing power and time on a global scale. For the first time, AI is directly contributing to the foundation of computer science itself. Number 9. Automated robotic scientific discovery. Science often moves slowly, but AI-powered robots are changing that pace. In 2023, researchers at the University of Liverpool demonstrated an autonomous robot scientist that ran experiments around the clock, testing hypotheses, analyzing results, and deciding its next steps without human input. Unlike traditional labs that shut down overnight, these systems can operate continuously, accelerating discovery cycles. Similar platforms are being tested for chemistry and biology, where trial and error dominates. By integrating robotics with AI, researchers can cover far more ground in weeks than human teams could manage in years. Number 8. AI for radiology analysis. Medical imaging has exploded in volume.
The lead, largely because AI is driven by data, and radiology has a lot of digital data already ready to be used by AI.
Millions of CT scans, MRIs, and X-rays are performed daily. Radiologists often face overwhelming workloads, and this is where AI foundation models are stepping in. In 2023, Google's MedPalm-M was tested for analyzing chest X-rays, showing diagnostic accuracy on par with expert radiologists. Meanwhile, the NHS in the UK has begun piloting AI systems to triage scans and flag urgent cases faster. Instead of replacing doctors, these tools act as co-pilots, helping spot early signs of cancers or fractures that might otherwise be missed under heavy pressure. Number 7. Mapping the human brain in unprecedented detail. The human brain contains about 87 billion neurons, but we're only beginning to map its intricate wiring. AI-powered connectomics has allowed researchers to chart brain tissue at nanoscale resolution. In 2023, Google and Harvard released the most detailed 3D reconstruction of human brain tissue ever, covering a cubic millimeter with over 57,000 cells and billions of connections. This dataset, created from electron microscopy images stitched together with AI, revealed structures never seen before, including new patterns of synaptic organization. Such maps provide neuroscientists with a clearer blueprint for studying memory, disease, and cognition. Number 6. AI for climate change modeling. Climate change demands better predictive tools, and AI is stepping up. NVIDIA's Earth 2 initiative aims to build digital twins of the planet, simulating weather and climate patterns at ultra-high resolution. Traditional climate models can take weeks on supercomputers, but AI can generate projections much faster. In 2023, researchers demonstrated AI systems that predicted localized drought risks and extreme heat waves months in advance. These models can help policymakers and scientists test what-if scenarios, like how certain emissions cuts might change global outcomes. Faster, more precise simulations mean better preparation for the climate challenges ahead. Number 5. AI-powered gravitational wave and astrophysical discoveries. Gravitational waves, ripples in space-time first detected in 2015, are notoriously faint. Detecting them requires analyzing massive data sets from observatories like LIGO and Virgo. AI is now speeding up that process. In 2023, researchers demonstrated deep learning systems that sift through noisy data in real time, identifying potential signals far faster than traditional methods. These tools also help classify cosmic events, such as black hole mergers and neutron star collisions. By making detections quicker and more accurate, AI is giving astrophysicists new ways to study extreme cosmic phenomena and refine our understanding of how the universe evolves. Number 4. AI-assisted drug and protein design. Designing new medicines has always been slow and costly, often taken over a decade from discovery to approval. AI is rewriting that timeline. In 2023, researchers used generative AI to create millions of novel protein structures, many with therapeutic potential. Some have already been tested for use in cancer treatments and antivirals. In silico medicine, for example, announced an AI-designed drug for idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis entering clinical trials in 2023. By generating molecular candidates and predicting how they'll behave, AI allows scientists to skip years of guesswork, dramatically accelerating the search for effective new therapies. Number 3. Quantum computing for chemistry simulations. Molecules interact in ways that quickly overwhelm classical computers. Quantum computing, guided by AI, is making those simulations feasible. In 2023, researchers used AI-optimized quantum algorithms to predict chemical reactivity at scales never done before. These advances are especially important for designing clean energy solutions, like catalysts for hydrogen fuel or better battery materials. Google, IBM, and startups alike are pushing the frontier, with AI helping correct errors in fragile quantum systems. The result? More accurate simulations of chemistry that could transform everything from medicine to renewable energy technologies. Number 2. Spatial intelligence in AI. AI isn't only about text or images. It's learning to understand the real world in 3 dimensions. Large geospatial models and visual positioning systems now provide centimeter-level mapping accuracy. In 2024, companies like Niantic and Google demonstrated how AI can anchor digital content precisely in physical space, while robotics labs applied similar models to improve navigation for autonomous machines. This shift matters for self-driving cars, augmented reality, and even supply chain logistics. By giving AI a better grasp of physical environments, researchers are bridging the digital and physical worlds in ways that directly affect daily life. Number 1. Quantum AI chip, Willow. In 2024, Google unveiled Willow, a 105-qubit quantum chip designed specifically for AI workloads. During testing, Willow solved a computation in just 5 minutes that would take classical supercomputers billions of years. While practical applications are still in the early stages, this demonstration showed the potential of quantum AI convergence. Combining quantum computing's raw processing power with AI's pattern recognition abilities could unlock breakthroughs across cryptography, material science, and beyond. It's a reminder that AI isn't just advancing on its own. It's evolving alongside other technologies that amplify its reach. From folding proteins to decoding the brain, from predicting storms to inventing algorithms, AI is no longer just assisting research. It's becoming a discovery engine of its own. These 15 breakthroughs show how AI is quietly transforming science at every level, from molecules to galaxies. The pace is accelerating, and what once took decades can now happen in days. The real question is, how will these discoveries ripple out into our lives in the years ahead? Because the story of AI in science is only just beginning. If you made it this far, let us know what you think in the comment section below. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.